Hi, my name is Vardhan Grover and I live in Delhi, India. So this is my submission for Project Zero of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript course, which I'm studying on edX right now. So the first specification which has to be shown over here is pages. So let me just show you all that. So the first web page which we have is the normal Google web page, wherein you have a normal Google search web page. Then the second web page which we have to show over here is the Google Images web page. I've made that page as well. And then moving forward, we have the advanced search web page as well, wherein you can make advanced searches with Google. The second specification is the query text, wherein the user should be able to type in a query, click Google search, and be taken to the Google search result for that page. And the search bar should be centered with rounded corners, and the search button should also be centered and should be beneath the search bar. So let's just go to the Google search page. Over here I have the search bar which is which has rounded corners, and it is centered below the logo, and we have a Google search option is over here as well. So when we type something as hello and then we click on Google search, it actually takes us to that specific web page where we want to go. Then moving forward, the query images, the user should be able to type in a query, click a search button, and be taken to the Google image search results for that page. So let's just go to image search web page. Let's just type computer, or let's just type linear regression. And when we click on image search, it directly takes us to the image tab for the specific search for the specific search term, which in this case is linear regression. Alright, moving forward, we have query advanced. The user should be able to provide input for the following four fields, which are all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. So let's just go to let's just go over here. Advanced search. We have all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. I've also added the criteria for numbers ranging from. Further on, moving to the next specification is appearance. Like Google's own advanced search page, the four options should be stacked vertically, and all of the four text fields should be left aligned. So the text fields are stacked vertically, and they are all left aligned. All right. The Another criteria over here was that consistent with Google's own CSS, the advanced search button should be blue with white text, and when the advanced search button is clicked, the user should be taken to the search results page for their given query. So let's just type Python over here, and this exact word or phrase, computer vision. All right, and let's just click advanced search. So it takes us over there, and the other thing to notice is that it's blue in color and it has white text in it. So that criteria or that specification is also being fulfilled over here. Then another specification which has been given over here is add an I'm feeling lucky button to the main Google search page, and consistent with Google's own behavior, clicking this link should take users directly to the first Google search result for the query. Alright, so let's just go to the normal Google search page. Yeah, let's just type YouTube, and I'm gonna click I'm feeling lucky button. So it's directly gonna take us to the YouTube website and not be taking us to the normal web page wherein you have all those hyperlinks being displayed in front of you. And in the end, the CSS you write should match with Google's own aesthetics as much as possible. So I think that the way I've written all of this surely does match with Google's own website, and I think that, let me just show you the images one as well. So Google Images, that also kind of matches with it. And in the end, there is advanced the advanced search, and I think that one also matches with this web page. So yeah, that's all, because I think I've displayed all these specifications in this video. Thank you guys for watching this, and this is my submission for CS50's Project Zero.